Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear student, honorable guardian and my colleagues, Assalamu alaikum. At first I welcome to your online class. Dear student, I hope you are all safe and sound at your homes. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear student, we can't attend the class in the long time because our educational institution is closed due to COVID-19 or coronavirus. Dear student, so I stand with you through online class. I requested you will watch my video for yourself academically improve. So students, take pen, pencil or khata. Students, I discussed already some rules of narration in the last class. Students, you know there are 5 kinds of sentence according to meaning. We can use all these 5 kinds of sentence in the speech or narration, direct into indirect. Students, we will know how can use all these sentence, this speech in direct into indirect narration. So I discussed with you in the speech from direct into indirect in assertive sentence. Dear students, our topics narration in assertive sentence. Assertive. Dear students, please you can follow me. Here is a table. I will discuss shortly rules of narration in assertive sentence. Dear students, narration in assertive. Dear students, I write a sentence in direct narration. Dear students, you can see this part is one of direct narration and other is indirect narration. Direct narration, reporting verb, we know the previous class, it is reporting verb and this sentence is reported speech. We can see reporting verb has subject and object. If the reporting verb has subject and object, there is no change in the indirect narration. Rule 1. Subject and object, no change. He, me. These students, if the sentence is assertive, we can see the sentence is assertive, I go. So, says to change, says to become. Number 2, subject and object change, says to become tell, says to tell, say to told. I repeat it, say to become tell, says to tells, say to told. So, we can write says to tells. Subject and object, no change. Dear student, if the sentence is assertive, I can use a linker that. So, comma and inverted comma are omitted. Comma and inverted comma are closed and we can write a linker that. Dear student, if the sentence is assertive, we can follow a structure. Structure that plus subject plus auxiliary verb or verb plus extension. So students, we write a linker that, and then subject. We can see subject I, first person. We know first person is changed according to subject in reporting verb. So student, we can write he. I, person is three forms: subjective, objective and possessive. So we can see I, subjective first person is changed according to subject in reporting verb. So student, we can write he. And auxiliary verb, no change. Students, we know that if the sentence is assertive and reporting verb present or future, so we can write reporting verb present. If the reporting verb is present or future reported speech, the tense is no changed. So dear student, we can see reporting verb present tense, so the tense is no change. So we can write goes. Dear student, reporting verb, subject and object, no sense. I repeat it. If the sentence is assertive, change to become tells me automatically. If the sentence is assertive, comma and inverted comma are omitted, and we can use a linker that follow the structure that plus subject. Subject I is first person and nominative or subjective. If the person is first person is changed according to subject in the reporting verb, please, and then auxiliary or main verb. Dear student, reporting verb is the present or future tense. Reported speech, the tense is no change. So go becomes goes, because if the person is third person or singular, we can use subject plus s or yes. Thank you student. We can see rules for reported speech. If the reported speech person is first person is changed according to subject in reporting verb. If the person is second, so I can use second person is changed according to object in reporting verb. Dear students, follow me. And other example, he says to me, comma and inverted comma, you go. These students, indirect narration, if the reporting verb has subject or object, subject and object are no change. So we can write he, me. Reporting verb is assertive. The sentence is assertive, says to, change or becomes tells. If the sentence is assertive, comma or inverted comma are closed, and we can write a linker that. Dear student, structure that plus subject, you can see subject you, second person is changed according to object in reporting verb. So dear, we can write me into second person. Follow the second person. You subjective, we can write me subjective. Dear, and extension I go. Dear student, number 6, reporting verb is the past tense. Reported speech corresponding fast, is corresponding fast. Follow me for example. He said to me, he is ill. Dear student, we can see say. This part is first tense. So this reporting verb is first tense. The tense is corresponding fast in the reported speech. So dear student, we write indirect narration. He, if the sentence is assertive, said to become told. Subject and object are no changed. If the sentence is assertive, comma and inverted comma are closed and we can write or we used a linker at that. Dear student, that subject, we can follow the structure. Subject, third person he, we know third person is no changed, so we write he, and then auxiliary or main verb is. The student, we know that if the reporting verb is first tense, reported speech is corresponding first, so it is present indefinite. We can write first indefinite. We can see is and we are right was. He was ill. Students, I repeat it. He said to me. It is this part is reporting verb. He is ill. This sentence is reported speech. If the part of reporting verb is first tense, reported speech, the tense is corresponding first. So dear, we know that subject and object is no change, so write subject he, object me. Say to become told, because if the sentence is assertive. Dear student, follow me please. Me, no change. If the sentence is assertive, comma and inverted comma is changed, we can write a linker at that. We write that and then we follow the structure that subject he, third person is no changed, so we write he, then auxiliary or null verb, auxiliary is, we can, the sentence is present indefinite, so if the sentence or parts reporting verb is fast, reported speech corresponding fast, so we can write, we can see is, it is present indefinite, is corresponding fast, is becomes was, ill, extension. Dear student, other example. I said to him, I'm your friend. This student, we can write indirect. I said to become told. Him, adjective is no change. We can see the sentence is assertive, so comma inverted comma are closed and we can write a linker at that. Then subject, I, first person. We know first person are changed according to subject in reporting verb. I, subjective, so dear, we can write I subjective and then auxiliary it is present indefinite if the reporting verb is fast, reported speech is corresponding fast. Right was your, then extension we can see your second person in possessive we know second person change according to object in the reporting verb. So dear, you possessive we can write him possessive, him possessive is him, his friend. Dear student, it is rule 6 and then rule 7. We can know reporting verb is past tense, time expression and place expression is changed. We see here, there, now, then, this, that, there, those, these, those, ago, before, come, go, today, that day, tonight, that night, yesterday, the previous day, tomorrow, the next day. So student, follow me please and write down your khata. For example, direct narration. I shall come here yesterday. No, tomorrow. Dear student, we can write in direct narration. Follow me. He, object me, have no change. If the sentence is assertive, said to is changed, said to become told, object automatically. If the sentence is assertive, comma and inverted comma are closed, and we can write a linker that the student structure subject I first person. We know that first person is saying according to subject in reporting verb, I subjective, so we can write he subjective. The student time expression and place expression is changed if the reporting verb is fast. So we can write shall, will, follow the subject he, would. We can write would. There, come, go, here, there. Tomorrow, the next day. Okay, dear student. Dear students, already we discussed with you narration in assertive. I hope that you can know assertive sentence from direct into change to the direct into indirect. Dear student, let's we can some homework. Please write your khata. Change the following direct speech into indirect speech. Dear student, sentence 1. Kamal said, I am, comma, inverted comma, I am reading a novel. Dear student, follow me please. The boy said to me, comma, inverted comma, I work in the field. Number 3. Father said to me, comma, inverted comma, I'll go fishing tomorrow. Dear student number 4, Mamun said, comma, inverted comma, you are wrong. Full stop, inverted comma, finished. Okay student, already I discussed with you assertive sentence. I hope that I'll discuss rest the topic in the next class. So okay dear, rest home and safe. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.